Security risks in online collaboration are real and can disrupt organizations instantly. For IT admins managing Microsoft Teams, setting up essential security controls is your first line of defense. Let's break down these critical steps so you can safeguard your Teams environment with confidence. Microsoft Teams is the nerve center of your company's communications. If left unprotected, it can expose sensitive messages and files. Begin by accessing the Teams Admin Center. Head to the security settings where your controls are front and center. First, enable multi-factor authentication for all users. MFA adds a verification layer, making it harder for intruders to access your data. Review guest access permissions. Restrict who can invite outsiders and what guests can see, ensuring critical information stays protected. Set up data loss prevention policies to monitor and block sharing of sensitive data. Configure DLP alerts for risky uploads. Configure message encryption for one-on-one calls in Teams to keep conversations secure. Enable this in the admin center and notify staff. Set up audit logs and reporting features to track access and suspicious activity. Schedule regular reviews to catch threats early. By following these steps, you create a Teams environment where security comes standard. Each setting is a shield, protecting your organization from evolving risks. Empower your teams to collaborate with confidence and peace of mind.